This is a 2008 Toyota Avensis, if that's how you say that word. I'll be showing you a full in-depth tour of this car, showing the exterior as well as interior. And start her up, show the engines. Without further ado, let's get into the review. We're here today at HBS Limited. You can check out their wide range of cars, from anything from Mazdas to Toyotas to Subarus. It'll be here, Nissans, yep. So make sure you come down, check out HBS, so that you can snap up a whopping looking car like this, and more. Tell your friends about it and all that. Say the car reviewer sent you. You don't have to say that, but nice if you did. Oh, as tradition, I will give you a quick look at the keys. Nothing fancy. Oh. Oh, that's kind of cool. Oh. That is really cool. It flashes up with the logo and everything. That is pretty cool. Everything just lights up here if you didn't see what they did before. Car's only done, it's all written in Japanese, 1000 Ks. So let's go ahead and start her up. There we go. Yeah, right. Oh.
Calling from Utah to HCM, some good news for workers at Southland's largest employer, Tiwai Point Aluminium Smelter, with the certainty of work extended until 2024.
Turn the lights on. I like how it dims the speedometers as well, the gauges, whatever you want to call them. Oh, and do the horn as well. And I'm getting good at the opening of the hood too. So hopefully you guys won't be staring at the sky anymore, because every time I start to review the car, I check to see where the hood release is so I can hold it up and show you guys this. 2.0 VVTi Toyota D4 engine. I hope you heard that. Sorry. I do apologise for the major highway noise. We are on a main road of Invercargill, so I do apologise for that. I quite like this wagon. It looks really nice for an Avensis. I'm probably saying that so wrong, and I do apologise if you have one. They're a really nice wagon. I know they're also called Corollars, if I'm not mistaken. Nice chrome work on it too. No sunroof or anything like that on it. Very, very nice wheels. I do like those. It's in immaculate condition too. Halogen lights, as you probably will assume. And there's the turn signals. LED turn signals and the mirrors. Nope, turn away, go away. forgot to rev it, but it's a Toyota. Ain't gonna be fancy, so here we go. Gauges, nice light up gauges. On the door, you got nice wood grain detailing here. Window controls, your door locks, your release. Storage. Yeah, very nice. Leather wrap steering wheel. Very nice steering wheel too. You got your display setting controls, your radio controls. You even got a little read up here too. Alright, turn that down before YouTube picks it up. Stocks. Window defroster. This little read up thing here, which you can't actually see. But you can't actually see, you can actually tilt it and all that. There's 3 ways you can tilt it before it goes back. So 1, 2, 3. There you go. Vents. Fluids. What does that do? I'm not quite sure what that does. Oh! How neat. You can lock passenger doors, that must mean. You got your radio here with your CD intake. Pretty standard radio and standard climate controls with some digital read-ups. 6 preset radios. Folder. I don't know what that does. Your lighter and your storage. This nice wood grain detailing here with some chrome trim around the gears. Automatic transmission. I am really digging this wood grain. They're turning such a drab car like this into something fancy, and it's pretty cool. You've got controls here labelled in Japanese. Japanese. Park and brake. We've got an Infinity that just roared past us. Cup holder, square holder, whatever you want to call it. Storage. Oops, we go all the way back on its own. Fair enough. Mirror controls here. Again, all my mirrors do fold in. Pretty much the same on the other Corolla that I did. Manual adjusting seats. Do apologise for that truck. You got Avensis branded door sills. I have a feeling I'm saying that so wrong. As well as branded carpeting. I do know a good car when I see one, and this one caught my eye. Indeed. Little legroom up here. You can just adjust the seat and change that easily. Ow. Not a lot of headroom because I just hit my head on something. No owner's manual or anything, but a very, very roomy glove compartment. Very nice. Even what Avensis branded doors. Oh my goodness. They must have seen the Nissan Future and was very very jealous. Again, you got the branded door sills. What a legroom up here. Windows are tinted, I thought to point that out, but if you didn't notice that already, then, well, the windows are tinted. Storage pouch, lots of legroom, lots of headroom back here. Very comfortable. Ashtray. Let's go over to the middle here, nice view of the dash. Again, that goes all the way down. Interesting. On the rear door, you've got speakers, storage, and pretty much the same as the rest of the doors. Again, with that nice wood grain detailing, that's very nice. I do like that. Come back here, open the tailgate, and look at that. Look at all the storage you got back here. You've got the little cover, which goes stores and here, if I can actually maneuver it with one hand, which I don't think I can. Yeah, sorry, but you got the idea anyway. Lots of storage back here because it's a station wagon. That's kind of what you expect. More storage down there, and got some nice aluminum plating here. That's not enough storage for you. What you need to do is just open the door, and sometimes they make it hard, sometimes they don't make it hard. Actually, gotta get right in there and press the button. Christ almighty. There we go, I think I got it. Yep, there we go. I got it in the end. So there you go. Seats fold down, not really well, but they fold down. Guess you'll have to make do with it. Not Subaru Outback quality. Oh, and turns out this folds down too, with cup holders. Nice. Got more storage in here. Either one is storage and one is fuses. I'm not going to find out. Lights that actually work. So the driver's window is the only one that is not automatic. It's odd if you ask me. Those in there. So there you guys have it. There is the review of the 2008 Toyota Avensis, if that's how you say that word. I've got a feeling it's not. I know someone's going to butcher me in the comment section below anyway. Down below, you know what I mean. So yeah, I hope you enjoyed, and we'll see you guys in the next review.